Children, today we are going to that new chapter, surface area and volume. The first example, before itself you knows now all that formulas 9th standard whatever you learned that only. Cylinder, cone, hemisphere, sphere, and then cube, cuboid, all those things already you learn. Just to recap that formulas from that 9th standard textbooks. You have to apply that formula in this year, okay. But before itself you learn that solid spheres and all you have to find separately, but from this year onwards you are going to learn the combination of the solid. What's the meaning of the combination of the solid? Means cone is also there and then hemisphere also is there. Total you have to find that total surface area, volume, everything you have to find, okay. So this year you are going to learn that combination of the solids. And then first example, Rashid got a playing top as his birthday present, which surprisingly had no color on it. He wanted to color it with his crayons. The top is shaped like a cone surmounted by a hemisphere. The entire top is 5 cm in the height and the diameter of the top is 3.5 cm. Find the area he has to color. So listen, they are giving that one top birthday present, but unfortunately it will not be colored, so he is going to color there itself. And then he is a cone, top base is that cone, and then it will be surmounted by the hemisphere. So the entire top height is that 5 cm they said, and then diameter of the top is that 3.5, so this one is the 3.5. So from this hemisphere height, this one is the 3.5 by 2, because diameter is the 3.5 means radius 3.5 by 2. Subtracting from the 5 means the height of the cone you got. Okay, so I'll explain the problems. Listen. So top there itself and then 3.5. So I wrote like this way, you will write it. Combination of the solid. Hemisphere D equal to 3.5. So R equal to 3.5 by 2. Cone R equal to 3.5 by 2 only. H you have to find. Height of the cone is a separate for that. So 5 minus 3.5 by 2. Taking that LCM and subtracting, you will get that 6.5 by 2. It will be the 3.25 centimeter. But you are going to find that surface area. Surface area of the cone means you need that L. So we have to find that slant height. You need this slant height. So slant height formula square root of R square plus H square. So substitute that R 3.5 by 2 the whole square plus H square is a 3.25 the whole square. Taking that square root and then simplify it, you will be get that a 3.69 centimeter. So approximately you will be write 3.7 centimeter. What they ask, CSA of the hemisphere and then CSA of the cone. Why CSA of the cone? Curved surface only you are going to paint. This surface you didn't get because both it will be the joint. So CSA of the hemisphere formula is the 2 pi r square plus pi r l. So pi r as a common because r is the same for that hemisphere and then cone. So pi r as a common 2r plus l. Then you have to substitute 22 by 7 into 3.5 by 2 bracket 2 into 3.5 by 2 plus 3.7. Then you will be simplify 5.5, 3.5 plus 3.7. You will be get that answer 39.6 centimeter square. The same answer only you will be getting the textbook. Okay. So you have to do that step by step like this way. Then only you will be get that correct answer. Okay. Do that combination of the solid means a written part also will be taken as a properly. And then next example we are going to see that. What is that next example? The decorative block shown in the figure 13.7 is made of the solids cube and the hemisphere. The base of the block is a cube with the edge 5 cm and the hemisphere fixed on the top has a diameter of 4.2 cm. Find the total surface area of the block. So here itself surface area of the block you have to find. Okay. The decorative block shown in the two solids they said. One is the cube and another one is the hemisphere. So listen now. The cube also you are having 6 faces is there. And then one the hemisphere surrounded means this space and all you have to be find. Okay. So for that what you will be do. That's why only you will check up. the surface area of the block equal to TSA of the cube minus base area of the hemisphere. Why subtracting the base area of the hemisphere? That only it will be closed. That's why only minus base area of the hemisphere plus CSA of the hemisphere. CSA of the hemisphere means it is surmounted on the top side you have to paint. So 6 into edge square, that is a side. So 6 into 5 the whole square plus here minus pi r square base area, and then here 2 pi r square. Subtracting means you will get that pi r square. Then substitute that value and get that 163.86 centimeter square. Same answer only you will get here itself, 163.86 centimeter square. Okay. Then the third example. A wooden toy rocket is in the shape of the cone mounted on the cylinder as shown in the figure. The height of the entire rocket is the 26 centimeter, while the height of the conical part is the 6 centimeter. The base of the conical portion has a diameter of 5 centimeter, while the base of the diameter of the cylindrical portion is the 3 centimeter. If the conical portion is to be a painted orange and the cylindrical portion to be the painted yellow, find the rocket painted with each of this color. So they are given that cylindrical part and then cone. The cone inside how it will be have means it is the out position. So inside that cylinder part one hole is there. That's why only it represents like this way. So this is that capital R and this one is that small r. Okay. So how to find like this way? So first cone you have to write h equal to 6 centimeter, r equal to 5 by 2, that's why 2.5 centimeter, and L equal to, you have to find, because curved surface area means you need that L, then you will get that. Cylinder totally you are having 26 centimeter. 26 minus 6 you are getting means height it will be there. 20 centimeter only come. Okay. So here itself you are asking that height there itself, and then find that height of the cylinder, it is that 20 only. Okay. Then you have to write area of the painted orange. Orange means it is a cone only, because they mentioned the base of the conical portion, while the base of the diameter cylindrical is conical portion is to be painted orange. Cylindrical portion is painted yellow. So conical portion only you have to find. Cone, how and all it will be. Base area of the cone you have to add minus base area of the cylinder. Why means it will be surmounted means the cylinder part will be closed. That's why only you have to base area of the cone add and then subtract the base area of the cylinder. So pi rl plus pi r square minus pi r dash square. Why r dash means r dash mentioned as that height, radius of the cylinder, and then h dash is mentioned as the height of the cylinder. So you have to substitute pi as a common. R you have to take 2.5 into 6.5 here plus 2.5 the whole square. Here r dash is the different. That's why only we didn't take the r as a common. 1.5 the whole square. Then you will be add and then get this. Then area to be the painted CSA of the cylinder plus area of one base of the cylinder, because down it is there. So you have to take that 2 pi r h1 plus pi r dash the whole square, then substitute and then get that answer 195.465 centimeters square. Thank you, children.